Today we have to go under the highway because otherwise it would be like playing Frogger. However, there's something sketchy about where we have to go. Oh good, there is light at the other side.
Don't you hear that? The light at the end of the tunnel is a train.
Approaching train. Well, you may still be able to hear the trains in the background. Despite hiking for an hour, we are not far enough to get out of earshot of them. That takes about 20 miles apparently. Two weeks ago, we were coming over that. 1 week ago, we were coming over that. This morning, we were down there coming around those hills. This is like the first time on the trail that I can look back on where we've been and actually feel like it was a long distance.
Hello, it's sometime in the afternoon, and we've decided to stop for a little bit of rest, relaxation, and foods. And I'm eating trail mix that has melted because it's hot. And I'm tired, and thirsty, and my feet hurt, and I'm filthy, but I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. I even have company. The old snow cone there, hiding from the sun.
It's windy again. It's cold.
I don't know what day of the hike it is. I don't know what day of the week it is.
I have complete hiker brain. Sorry, I'm having too much fun to give a but it is cold and windy. Still hiking with Glenn. We're gonna do Mount Baden Powell today. I'm here with Sno-Cone, and we're gonna make a snow cone. It's a very subtle flavor. Just like a real snow cone, all the flavor went to the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, take a good look. We've talked about Poodle Dog Bush before, but that's Poodle Dog, that's Poodle Dog, that's Poodle Dog, this is Poodle Puppy, that's Poodle Puppy, that's Adolescent Poodle Dog, and it's worse than poison ivy, I'm told. Apparently, if you touch it, you will get ass herpes on your face and your dick will fall off. I don't want ass herpes on my face, and I happen to like my dick, so I won't touch it. Good morning. It is day 36. It is 7 in the morning. The sun is already coming up and getting quite toasty. You may notice something different over my shoulder. That's right, there's a lot less in my backpack today because I am slack packing. Glenn's brother-in-law picked us up, slept at his place, drove us out to the trailhead. We're gonna do 20, 22 miles a day with nothing in the packs but food and water. It's amazing. And then we'll go back to his place, get a good night's sleep. Glenn will continue on, and I will go to LA to meet Heidi. Hey! All right, so there's the highway, but there's our way. We have emerged. Oh, back into the sun. Time for a video update. Dun 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 dun. It's like 12:30, 1 o'clock. It's hot, so hot. We got the umbrellas up and we are making our ascent over this ridge, that ridge. And then we go down the backside, get to Bouquet Canyon, and we get a ride back to civilization, where I can get a nice big Diet Coke and a large pizza and a good night's sleep before I head to LA. All right, that's all. Too hot. Bye. All right, so if you were wondering how far a PCT hiker can hike in a day, that's where we started, where the kind of the bottom of those white colored mountains on the backside of that low little ridge. Right around there is the highway that we went under, and then right around here is the Vasquez Rocks, then there's Agua Dulce. That's damn near 17 or 18 miles. All right, I'm about to have rattlesnake sausage because there's rattlesnakes on the PCT, and it just seems like a good idea to eat a sausage made out of one. Rattlesnake is delicious. All right, it's like 8 in the morning, day 39, 40, I don't know. Anyway, some interesting things have happened. I did one full day of hiking where I didn't record or photograph anything. I was in an extremely grumpy mood because I switched footwear and my feet and legs were not happy, and I was feeling a large amount of regret for that decision. Today is the second day of hiking on these new shoes, and I'm hoping it goes a little bit better.
On the next episode.
It's snowing. How crazy is that? The hottest part of the trail and it's snowing. We have a moment that calls for a video selfie. Mile 500, baby. Yeah. Feels good, 500 miles. Okay, fine, I'll keep hiking.